I miss hearing the birds sing and thinking they were singing for me. A soft melody for the day that only nature could give. The deep croaks of a bullfrog, the piercing chirps of a katydid, the warmth of the sun casting a shadow across my journal page. I miss the patience in silence, the rebellion in skipping 2 lines, the feeling that I don't have to have my life together. I don't have to pretend to know the answers. I miss the birds. I miss the deafening sound of silence that seems to be the only thing that will truly calm my thoughts. But today, I'm reminded of time and our need to slow it down. And even more importantly, a moment to breathe, to stop the sun from setting, to turn back time, reassess the bad, acknowledge the good, and choose to live in between. Knowing the only thing you can do is just that. Do or don't. There is no try. You will do and fail. And one day, you will do and succeed. You will choose the noise one day, and the next, choose to hop on a plane. Build a mattress into a van. You will feel the ladybug drop on your sweater. Feel the breath in your lungs. Hear the birds sing. And you will see they sing for you. You will run. You'll stay. And one day you'll see, only to be lost again. You will feel the joy and pain, the pain and joy, and it's in the middle where you'll live. You'll choose life instead of death, choose joy instead of sorrow. You'll choose to find life instead of being controlled by it. And at the end of the road, you will be the birds. You will soar. You will sing for yourself. And when someone else hears you, they'll truly believe that the birds sing for them.